My people, now well done. I don't come again to knack on another riddle. Make una relax, use this one take whole body. But before we start today, I say I go drop the answer for the one way I knack una the other time. Make una check the answers to know the one way una get correctly. Una well done. Okay, make we continue today on. Watin get neck but no get head? If you still know the answer too, drop for the comment section. Make una just dey drop una answers for the comment section. The one wey follow that one here say watin get head and tail but no get body? If you know say you still sabi the answer too, drop am for the comment section. Next one wey dey for my hand there be say watin dey get wet while e dey try to dry? Drop your answer for the comment section. Another one wey dey here dey talk say watin you go always find for ground but e no go ever dey dirty? Watin get many keys but no fit open any lock? If you know the answer, drop am for the comment section. Another one wey I hold for hand here dey talk say na e dey easy to lift but hard to throw. Watin I be? Another one wey dey here dey talk say which word for dictionary wey dem spell incorrectly? The next one wey I hold for hand here dey talk say who don marry plenty people but never marry? Make una drop una answers for the comment section. Whether you know am or you no know am, just drop your answers for the comment section. The next one wey I hold for hand here say which kind of ship wey get two mates but no captain? And the last one wey I hold for hand here today talk say watin letter T and island get in common? Drop your answer for the comment section. My people, today own don come to an end o. Like, subscribe, comment, share, follow for more. Una good day.